Good morning, students. Today we are going to start experiment number 5. This experiment is to determine the resistance of a galvanometer by half deflection method and find its figure of measure. For this experiment, this circuit diagram is required. We will take a battery eliminator, a galvanometer, which is sodium, a key K2, after that the shunt means the small resistance, and then a resistance box, the large resistance, and then K1. First of all, it is very clear to you, this K1 is closed and K2 is open. What we have to do, we have to take a reading of deflection in this galvanometer. We will try to find out the reading in even numbers. For this, what we will do, we will take 10,000 resistance out of this larger resistance box and see the reading. The reading in galvanometer is very clear to you. It is around 22. It is around 22. We have to note down only the scale 10, 20, 21, 22. So a scale of deflection is to be noted down. For example, here you will note down R in place of resistance 10,000 ohm and deflection 22. Now what to do? K2 is up, K2 is switched in. That is, key is closed. Now all current passes through the shunt. So we will take 100 ohm resistance from the shunt resistance and see the deflection. Now we have to see half deflection only. While taking 100 ohm resistance, it is noticed that 10 deflection is noticed. So we will take a further key of 20 ohm. Now this deflection is up to 11 scale. So now we will note down shunt resistance 120 ohm and deflection is half of it, that is 11. So it is very clear to you. First of all, we have to take the reading without closing the key K2. Only we will take the reading of the galvanometer while switch K1 is closed, and for that deflection is found to be 22. After that we will close this key and note down the half deflection of 22, that is 11. We are getting for 120 ohm of shunt resistance, deflection is half, that is 11. Now we switch off the battery eliminator, and this time this same experiment is repeated. And we will take 9,000 resistance to the circuit and note down the deflection in the
galvanometer and note down the deflection in the galvanometer. This time deflection is about 24. For 9000 deflection is for 9000 deflection is up to 24 st. Now again we will brought shunt resistance into circuit by closing the key and take out 100 ohm, 100 and 100 140 ohm. For 140 ohm we are getting half deflection, that is 20, that is for 24 we are getting 12 here for 140 ohm. In this way experiment is repeated for another resistance, for example 8000 ohm, 7000 ohm, and after that we will apply this formula for resistance of galvanometer R into S divided by R minus S. In this way we will get G, and after that for figure of merit we will use this formula E. The value of battery illuminator E is taken from here. Note down we have connected what? 4 volt has been given. 4 volt you will write down here. R can be find out from here and G from here, and deflection theta is to be noted. Every time for each reading you will find K, K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, and then find out average. So that's all. Thank you.